Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are practicing Vedic maths tricks. Keep practicing them as it will make your calculations faster and easier. So let's start our day with a new trick. The trick is about squaring any number, not just a specific unit digit. It could be any number. So as you all can see, I have taken a number here 96 into 96. What is our trick here? What is our main funda here is we have to choose a base. We have to choose a base. The base should always be a multiple of 10. It could be 10, 100,000, but the base should be closer to the number, right? So generally we take base as 10, 100,000, like that. So if we are taking 96, so our base will be 100. What you have to do is 96 minus base, the difference is -4. Add this difference to the number, you will get 92. Then 92 multiplied by the base, it is 92 100. So now what you have to do is, in this you have to add square of the difference, which is 9216. Got it? ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगा हमको. Now check 67 into 67. Again you will say कि we'll take base as 100. Yes, we will take base as 100. But if we will take base as 100, what will happen? The difference between 67 and 100 will be a bigger number. So to make it more easier, what will I do? I am taking base here as 60. 60 is multiple of 10. So what is 67 minus 60? It is 7, right? So now what you have to do is, you have to add it in this. It will be 74. Now what you have to do? 74 into our base, which will be 4440. Now plus square of the difference, which is, so our answer is 4489. If we have doubt, we can check it. So our number is 67 into 67, 4489, correct. Now check 96 into 96, our answer will be 9216. It is correct. So now let's check one or two more examples with this. Yes, now I have taken a bigger number. Can you count how many nines are here in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 nines. So what base I will take? I will take a base with 7 zeros. Yes, you are right. So 7 minus the base. What is our base? 1 with 7 zeros. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our answer will be -1. So what you have to do in this, you will add the difference and you will get right. Now multiply this by the base and add the difference. So our answer will be this is the answer. Let's check this answer right now because it's a big number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. See, our answer is correct, right? ये steps बड़े हैं, but I have written these steps just to explain you. If you will do it mentally, it will take only 3 seconds. It will take only 3 seconds. Now let's try this example also. 575 into 575. अब 575 का base, if you want, you can take 500 also or 600 also. I will take 600 because 600 और 575 का difference काफ़ी कम रहेगा. So 575 minus 600, the difference will be minus 25. Right, so now what I will do is 575 plus the difference, which will come out to be 550. Now 550 into the difference, sorry, into the base, which will be 3,30,000. Right, now you add square of this number, which will be 625. So our answer will be 330,625. You want to check the answer? Please check it. It is 575 into 575. Answer is 330,625. It is correct. So what you have to do is, in this case, you have to check the number, find the base, find the difference between the numbers, add the difference in the number, multiply it by the base, and then add the square of that number. If you will practice, it will be mentally, you can do it in 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, so let's go to the new trick. So here we are with the new trick. In this, we are going to multiply any two numbers. So I have taken an example here, 888 into 998. What you have to do is, you write them vertically the way we write to do the normal multiplication. Now for both the numbers, you have to choose a common base. So common base will be, okay, I am taking 1000. Right, I am taking here 1000. Sorry, this is 10,000. You take, it is 1000. Now what we will be doing is, you have to find the difference between the base and this number. So the difference between 1000 and 888 will be minus 112, and the difference between 998 and 1000 is 2, but we will write it in 3-digit form only. Done. Now what you have to do is, you have to multiply these two if they are of same sign, because we are subtracting 888 minus 1000. So minus, answer will be minus 112. Same here, 998 minus 1000. Answer will be minus 002. So we are doing the same multiplication. Negative and negative gives us positive. So 112 into 2 will give us 224. Now what you have to do is, add these two numbers and subtract from the base. So 888 and 998. If you will add them, what will you get? You will get 1886. So 1886 minus the base. What is our base? Base is 1000. So 886. This is our answer, 886224. You want to check? You can check. 888 into 998, and the answer is 886224. Now let's check for this example. This second example is 99,979 into 99,999. Big number, right? So again, I hope you all will do with me. So let's start. 99,979 multiplied by 99,999. Check the base. Base क्या होगा? Any ideas? Base will be 1 lakh. Right? So this number minus base. So when you will subtract, what will you get? You will get minus 21, and here you will get minus 01. Yes. Now multiply these two. 21 into 21, you will get 21. But this is a 5-digit number, so we will make it in 5 digits like this. Okay. Now again, add these two and subtract from the base. So 99979 plus 99999, it will be how much? 18 and 17, 9, 9 and 9, minus 1 lakh. So our answer will be 99978. You can write here 99978, and this is our answer 999780021. ईजी है. अब आप ये कर इतना बड़ा मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे तो सोचो आपको कितना टाइम लगेगा. सो ट्राई टू यूज़ दीज ट्रिक्स आर वेरी ईजी. लेट्स चेक द आंसर ऑल्सो. into 999780021. Correct answer. You want to try some more? So let's go to one more. It is 1026 into 997. I hope आप सब मेरे साथ कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. तो आप लोग मुझसे जल्दी करते हैं या थोड़ा सा टाइम लेते हैं. लेट्स प्रैक्टिस. लेट्स हैव अ रेस. राइट. सो यहाँ पर बेस क्या है हमारा? बेस again I am taking 1000. So 1026 minus 1000, it will be plus 26, and 997 minus 1000, it will be minus 03. Again you make it 003, and this you make it as 026. Okay, multiply 26 into 38, 3, you will get 78. So 078. Add 1026 plus 997. What will you get? You will get 2023 minus the base, which is 1023. So here we will write 1023. But whenever here they have opposite sign, यहाँ पे प्लस था, यहाँ माइनस था, so अब माइनस साइन ही आएगा. -1. एक्चुअली यू विल टेक इट एज -1. ये -1 यहाँ आएगा, इसके साथ माइनस करेगा. सो योर आंसर विल बी 1022078. एंड आई होप आप लोग को ये ट्रिक समझ में आई होगी. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दिस ट्रिक. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन मैसेज मी, you can give it in comments. I will surely take those doubts. And if you have liked this video, these tricks, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.